The Boeing 787 is a leading-edge, high-performance aircraft, unique due to its very unusual design. Lufthansa Technik is the address worldwide for high-quality aircraft design, especially for the most demanding cabin interiors.
The realization of a real VIP cabin is one of the most challenging jobs in the aviation industry. Together with the best designers of the world, Lufthansa Technik is building the most challenging VIP cabins in the industry since more than 40 years.
The project begins with an idea in the mind of the future owner. Working together with the renowned British designer Andrew Winch, Lufthansa Technik combines innovative ideas with quality craftsmanship to create a perfect product. The main driver of design lies in understanding what you, the owner, want to have on board your aircraft. Your wishes are the force of gravity to which all decisions on your interior design are drawn. How you want to utilize the aircraft, or what lifestyle you want to enjoy on board. We take time, along with you, to carefully choose among the exclusive materials for the interior design. The work is carried out with great care by our own team of experts. Lufthansa Technik combines the competence of total support of daily flight operations of large and small airlines. In this, the service and maintenance functions, as well as the spare part network, are tightly integrated within the organization. Our aircraft interiors reflect the individuality of their owners. We focus our efforts on the expectations and visions of our customers. Thanks to our unique technical experience and renowned craftsmanship, we can create the cabins of your dreams. Our professional experience on the technical side combines with the creativity of top design experts.
Yachts and aircraft have many similarities in design. The yachts are cruising homes, floating on the oceans of the world, while the aircraft are flying homes, developed in every detail to meet the same requirements as the yachts. No millimeter or idea is left unturned to create a unique project with Lufthansa Technik on board the new Dreamliner 787.
Whether Art Deco, reflections of past decades, or the cultures of a particular country, be it minimalism or avant-garde, every interior design is unique, tailor-made to the wishes of the owner. Together with Andrew Winch, Lufthansa Technik has created a new project, the Boeing 787 VIP cabin. Our resources and our experience will be needed in the future as well, in the development and realization of totally new aircraft interior designs and in the area of modern in-flight entertainment and communication.
Today we are presenting the ultimate interior design for the 787, the real VIP Dreamliner to the world. As a one-stop shopper, we also support your airplane 24 hours, 365 days around the world to keep your airplane happy in the skies.
Boeing 787 VIP completion. Designing a dream.